Hi, my name is Brian. And I'm here to share with you our top beverage refrigerators collection. Just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by NewAir. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 2, by Kalamera. For more info about these great online deals, click this link in the corner. Number 3, by Chefman. Shop for Amazon Prime great offers. Number 4, by Kalamera. Available now on Amazon. Number 5, also by Kalamera. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon.